There is new reaction from Maine's largest police union tonight about a new law which governs how law enforcement in Maine work with federal agencies conducting immigration enforcement. Governor Janet Mills called the bill, quote, imperfect, but said she allowed it to become law because, quote, the times call for it. News Center Maine's Pearl Small reports on some of the mixed reactions.
She could have vetoed this.
Mike Eads, who represents Maine's largest police union, says Governor Mills didn't have the best interest of local law enforcement at heart when she allowed LD 1971 to become law.
Literally put a stake down through the heart of our relationship with the feds.
Eads says the new law means police can no longer stop or detain people on the basis of a federal immigration hold request, and says that is specifically harmful to a state with an international border where collaboration between local and federal law enforcement is important.
I know I have to have those people in my corner and I have to be in their corner.
Eads says the bill is too broad and restrictive. He believes it could result in the release of people who pose a safety concern and impact criminal investigations.
The bill doesn't prohibit the law enforcement from doing their job in any way.
Representing the Maine Immigrant Legal Advocacy Project, Sue Roche, says the bill is not meant to limit local resources, but rather to ensure those resources aren't being used by the federal government to help act out its immigration agenda.
But what we're seeing is on a daily basis, Mainers are being arrested and detained by immigration officers.
While Mills herself did say some of the bill's language imposes confusing restraints on law enforcement about when they can and can't interact with federal authorities, Roche believes she made the right decision choosing not to wait.
If there are any amendments that needed to be made to the bill, that could be considered in the future, but this really is important for this to go into effect now so it can help Mainers today.
Others wish she'd taken the extra time.
We could have taken a step back, we could have worked together on something and then gone forward together.
Pearl Small, News Center, Maine.